Jaden, serving. Service ace. And now it's service fault. What? Score. Go. Jaden, a peep with the anger face, no spite. Because you're so mad. Tommy, black ball.
Bossy, Godfather, man a OG, man a half humble, man a bossy. Fling around a rhythm like it's all free. Bossy, house on the coast.
Hi, Kio, Choco, drop ball. Good ball by hand, GNU, overstand.
Bossy, man a bossy, man a bossy.
Score 5-3. Jaka serving. A float ball. Genio. Misreceive. Score 5-4. Jersey number 7 serving. Over receive. First tie at 5. Not over. Service. Jaden, good ball. A beat. Trying. Not over. Same server on the line. Float ball. Jaden to Kwame. Good spike.
Do my thing, something put me on the ground and up. Remix thing. You ain't say riding with the Pacino flow, Godfather pass.
Score 7-6.
I came to win, battle me, that's a shit. Disrespect, man, get the slap on the chin. Man, a king with a trap ball, Larry, man, a big DJ, ask me to get out. Boss, yeah, man, a boss. I make it down.
Service, appeal.
I'm in this way.
Receive by Libero. And GMU, top ball. Still a good. Kio. No spiker, just a chance ball. Receive. High. GMU, top speed. Drops to middle. Another top ball. Inside. No one's there. Good read. Serving a pit. Good ball by Libero. To middle. Trying a check out the black ball. No entry by the monk. Service, Pete, jersey number 10, a float ball. Good receive, so open, tap ball. Receive by a Pete, Jaden looking for a pass, good ball. Kwame, transition ball. Good by Libero, looking for a spiker. Tap ball, nice block by Setter. Hand to GNU, another top spin, good ball by a Pete. Set, but no spiker. Serving outside. Too long. Komi serving. Let's see if we'll go in. It's inside. High. GNU 4. Not over. Score. What's that? 10. 8. Same server. Komi. A float ball is received. GNU trying to set. No spiker. Chance ball. Komi. Overpass again. Overreaching. Overreach. Komi serving. Good receive. Open. One touch. Jersey number 5, GNU. A pit, good receive. To 4, nice spike. Nice receive, but still a good ball. Chance ball. A pit, good ball again. To middle. Top ball, black ball by Mon. Jocks to Jaden. Jaden outside. No touch. Same server, GNU, jersey number 5. A pit is received. Jaden looking for a save. Not over. Score 11-9. Still a 2 points lead by Jaden's team. GNU. Komi a bit short. Jaden pass ball. Check out. Team Philippines serving. High to 4. Outside. Score is 39. 4 points lead by Jaden's team. Kia serving. Dribbling the ball. Conditioning. A float ball. Good receive. Open, drop ball. Still a good ball. 4 to open. Jaden. Good spike. So ugly spike. Kia serving. Jersey Philippines. Hand to open. The black ball. Good by Jaden. Pass ball. Tap. And it's score. Five points run by Jaden's team. 5-0 run. Kia serving. Misreceive. No spiker. Chance ball. A pit. Good receive. To open. Tap ball. And a score. Zero run. Kia looking for target. Set to middle, drop ball. Komi wasn't there. MJ to Komi. Good receive. Nice drop. Joseph serving. Good receive by Libero, open. Single block by Jaden. Another try, it's a drop ball. Iyo for chance. For Jaden, outside. Service, float ball, easy ball. To Apit with the Andrew Brace, black ball. Service. A float ball, took by Joseph. Jaden in the middle, check out. Score! 18-11. Jaden smiling again. A float ball, GNU. And Fidel. Bad. Ayo. Jersey number 4. Komi, a bit misreceived. Still Komi. Good point. Jersey number 7. Draw. Float ball. Misreceived by Libero. Turnover. Jobs. To middle. Appeal. Inside. Score 20-12. Drops another float ball. Misreceived by GNU. Score 21-12. Same server. Drops looking for a target. A float ball. Not over. Without serving, another float ball. Good receive by Apit. Oh, what a good play. Is it a play or a lock? Good target, no people in there. Nice serve, misreceived. Apit, the opposite, tap ball, misreceived. No spiker, chance ball. Very high, ball in, dead ball. Service. Another hard, misreceived. Iyo to middle. Joseph tap spin. Good save. To open. One touch. Still good. Playable. Opposite. Tap ball. Hand. To GNU. Malaysian Airlines at your service. Sorry. Open. Komi, service, not over.
How many times?
Coach is mad now. You're not gonna be part of the first team. Jersey number 5, GNU, serving. Float ball, Apit, good receive, to opposite, nice pipe, favor GNU, MJ, pipe now. Apit, good receive. Quick, Joseph, still playable. Drops to opposite again. It's still a good ball. And looking for a ball. So 3, a hit, misreceive. Good approach by Jaden. Same server. Jaden. Wild spike and a check out. Last 15. Kio service. A good serve, misreceive. Game ball. Thank you so much, protocol. Shake hands, players. Next game.
I love the chase and the hunt. I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like